Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google data to an external hard drive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Google Chrome and make sure to sign into your account. From there, in the URL bar, go ahead and type in takeout.google.com like so. So I'm going to hit enter here. Alright, you need to make sure you put in the full URL, so HTTPS. So hit enter, and then you're going to be brought to Google's Takeout. So you can export a copy of your content in your Google account to back it up or use it within a service outside of Google. So from here, scroll down, and then it will say you should have most of your stuff automatically selected. If you don't want all your Google services checked and marked for export, go up the top here and just go ahead and deselect all. Then it'll say select data to include, make sure it says 0 out of 68. Then from here, this individually select what type of data you want to export. So if you want to do, scroll down, if you want your calendar in there, your Chrome, so this includes bookmark history and other settings, scroll down, your drive, you kind of get the gist. Just select everything you need. Also, if there's photos here, so Google Photos, you want to have that selected, etc., etc. Now, once you're happy with all what you've selected, we want to go ahead and click on that next step. So click onto that. Then it'll say choose file type, frequency, and destination. Now, under destination, it will say transfer to, so send download link via email, or we can add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or to Box. I'm going to keep it at email. You can choose the frequency, so you can export once, or you can export every 2 months for 1 year. But I'm just going to do one export, scroll down, and choose your file size and type. I'm just going to keep it at zip. And then at the bottom here, it will say file size. The output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. So depending what you've got selected in your data you want to export, this is just going to change in size. Then from here, we're going to click on create export. And then it'll give you a estimation. So Google is creating a copy of data from 4 products. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete, just depending on how many gigabytes you've got pretty much. You'll receive an email when your export is done, and then it'll give you a date here. You can also create another export if you like. And now from here, go ahead and download your data from your email, because you'll get this email to you, and then simply download it and then put it on your external drive just like that.